Wait, I'll see. I'll check with the client.
Copy.
ನೀವು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. See, save the file, save as your file. That is, what is the file name? What's the file name should be saved now? What's the file name? That is the file name I'll give as RF file. Okay, let it be like receive, RECE, capital N beta. Receive file. Okay, let it be like this one. Receive file. Is ಸಾಕು. Okay, na REC spell ಮಾಡಿ. R file ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ. R file. Let it be R file. ನನ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ R file. Let it be like this. Okay, na save this file. File save ಆಗ್ತಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ. Save file. ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಪ. ನಿಜವಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೆಟರ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಪ್ಪ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೇವ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ. rfile.java. Okay, done. So I've saved the file as rfile.java. Let it save this file, rfile.save. Next, I'll be creating one more file called that is your server side. Okay, that is send file. Send file I'll be creating. I'll be taking with the send file. ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವನಪ್ಪ?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? So ಎಷ್ಟೋ ದಿನ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 1 ವರ್ಷ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಅವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ವ. S file. Okay, this I'll save as S file. I'll save this as file as S file, R file and S file, because to make the name convenient properly I'm giving, that's it. S file. I'll save this file, save the file. What is the this one I've passed over here? Can you check the server socket? Server socket is 123 and the same name should be of 123. Are you getting? So I'll save this file. Save as, that is S file. We'll check with the execution now. Save this file as S file. Okay, done. Now after that, one is R file. Sorry, that is Java. You have to create a Java ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. Java file extension ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So S file dot Java. Okay. So I've created one folder. The same way, the same execution is all same way. You have to save the file. Now in this, I'm going to create one more new folder. I'll be creating one new document, empty document. In that empty document I'll be creating. So I'll open this empty document. Just I'll be giving some contents. Okay, contents I'll be giving. Done. Now I'll be saving this file as, save the file as one.txt, anything, or like q.txt nearly. Q.txt I'll be saving. Save the file. Okay. Okay. Okay, understand, two files I've created. One is our data receiver, sender, and one more is the file extension is class name dot java. Okay, we'll start execution. I'll be opening two terminal. Close this file. Everything is on the line. So close the folder. Folder should be closed. Now I'll be opening. I'll be opening one dot text. Anything q dot text. One more file should be there. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಕೇಳಿ ಡೌಟು ಕೇಳಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. cd desktop d should be capital. cd desktop, yes, enter. Next is cd what is the file name? What is the folder name now? What is the folder name? ಯಾವ್ದು folder name? Folder name is Jeevraj. Are you getting? Jeevraj, same thing. Okay, done. Jeevraj, done. Next, I have entered with Jeevraj. Next is Java C. What is the receiving file? What is the receiving file? That is R file and S file. Now I have to run two files. That getting? So I'll be giving with Java C R file dot Java. So there is no error. We'll check with Java R file. Okay, I'll have to give a super user. Okay, Fedora. Okay, next is Java R. Connection ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay, done. Iri. So one is R file I've done. Now I'll be running the same. Another terminal should be opened. Another terminal, run your sender file again. Desktop, cd desktop, done. cd Jeevraj, that is your folder name. Next is Java C. That is your what is the file name? S file, right? S file dot Java. So there is no error. So Java S file. So Fedora. Connection ಆಗ್ತಲ್ವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ?
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Wait. Super user condition, no? Next Fedora.
ಹೌದು.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ. ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಡೋಣ ತಡಿ. ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಒಂದು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಬೇಡ. ಅದು. ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ತಗೋತಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ಸಿಡಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಹಿಂಸೆ ಇದು.
ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಸಿಡಿ
ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್
ಎಂಟರ
ಸಿಡಿ
SU ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಫಸ್ಟೇನೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಾವಾ
SU ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಎಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಅದೇ ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅಂತಲ್ಲ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೆ.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
No, yeah. I know. It is off. Wait. I'm just connecting. Program ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೇನಾದ್ರು program ನೋಡ್ತಾ 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'll come back.
ಎಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈಲ್.
ಜೀವನ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬುಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದಾರ ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಅದು ನೋಡಿ. ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯಲ್ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯಲ್ ಅದೇ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಣ.
ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಇದರದ್ದು ಬಿಡಿ. ಕಮಾಂಡ್
ನಿಮ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾ ಬಂತು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಬಂತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈಲ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ದ q.text ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ ಡನ್
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನ.
ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ ಫೈಲ್. ಓಕೆ ಡನ್. ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೇನಪ್ಪ? ಹಲೋ, ಕೆನ್ ಯು ಆಲ್
ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೇನಪ್ಪ? ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರೋಣ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಣ್ಣ? ಹಾ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. See, I'll be saving. See, I've created a folder. This is all first program. How we have done the same thing. Okay. See here. So I've created a folder. In that folder, I've created two files. One is R file, one is S file. Understand? I've created two files, that is R file and S file. Now I'll be this class. See. Okay. See, you have to execute properly. Understand? This program, this connection file is something you have to execute properly. Okay. Java file. Oh, okay. Execution. See, already I've done with 123. Understand? I've already done with 123. I'm changing this name. Why? Because connection is already been. I've now while I've switch off this one video switch off ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. So ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ 123 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಂತು. So I need to change immediately. I need to change the port number, that is socket port number, because in already 123 it has been already, the connection has been already established and already file has been read. So to I need to change the name of the file, that is your connection number has to be changed over here. ನೋಡೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 120 I'll give 120 like connection 120. Save the file. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. Save the file. 120 I've called. So in the R file, that is in your S file, again in your S file, change the file name, that is your port number. Change this port number to 120. Why? Because already I have seen the output, or I have checked the output in 123. So I need to change the socket number. 120 up till 123. That is the 123 is the last number. So that is 0 to 123. It is going to be running. Are you getting the sockets? Okay. 2 files has to be created. One is R file, another is S file. Understand? One is R file should be created. One is sender file. One is receiver file. 2 files should be created. The file name should be extension of this file name is .java. That you all know. Okay. Save the file. Save the filing of the naming of file should be of your class name, and save the file in your folder. The folder names, it is your wish. The folder name can be of anything. Are you getting? Now I'll be opening two terminal. One is one terminal for sender, another terminal for receiver. Understand? One terminal is for sender, one terminal is for receiver. No, okay. Now, as same, you just run the program. That is desktop. Okay, done. Next, I'll be calling my folder name. That is Jivraj. Okay, entered. Now I need to give super user privilege to my folder. Why? Because I need to I need to read my content of the file, or I need to check whether my file is been present in my sender or in my receiver. So I need to enter my Fedora to super user. That is super user privilege. So I'll giving a super user privilege like SU. Okay, the password, whatever the password you've been given for the starting way, that's the same password. That is Fedora. It is common. Fedora. Okay, done. Now I'll yes file alva.
S file.
So I'll be running S file. That is Java C S file. That is sender file dot Java. Okay, done. So there is no error. Java S file. Java S file. Okay, now connection, once it has been, can you see this box? Can you see this box? It tells that yes, connection is been established. You continue the work with your receiver file. So same way I'll be doing with my receiver file. CD desktop, enter. Next is CD, enter with, that is your folder name, Jivraj, done. Okay, privilege I'm giving to read the content. I need to read the content, right? So I'm giving my privilege, FEDORA, Fedora. Okay, done. So I'll be running with R file, Java C R file dot Java, done. Okay, there is no error. Next is Java R file, enter. So can you get, are you getting? So I've entered with a super user privilege. So at my receiver end, I'm asking the file name. So enter the file name, which file you have to read now. From which file you have to read, in which folder. The folder is Jivraj. So I've given with a super user with SU. I've given a password. I've given a receiver file. So it is asking me enter your file name, which has to be read. Okay. Now I have a file name or a text file called q.txt. I've created, right? So q.txt, check. Now I'm telling my receiver end, check whether this code or whether this text file is present or not. Okay, done. Yes, it is present and I'm reading the content of the file. Are you getting? This is tells you that yes, the connection is being started. And at my receiver end, I'm telling my q.txt, yes, q.txt is present. These are the content. Take the content. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ? Okay. Now again I'll check with this one. I'll stop the connection. See, this is your stopping your connection. So I'll stop with, we'll check with the file again. I'll check my file now. ಯಾವ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಫೈಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ ರನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೊರಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಮೊದ್ಲಂಗ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಜಾವಾ ಸಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ? ಜಾವಾ ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಜಾವಾ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಎರರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಈಗ. ಜಾವಾ ಎಸ್ ಫೈಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. R file ಅದೇನಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ R file ಅದೇನಾ ಓಕೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ದ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ನಾವು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಂಟರ್ ದ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಒಂದು t.txt ನೋಡೋಣ t.txt ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ file not found getting are you getting this way you have to show the output one is you have to show whether your this one whether your text file is present or not and if it is present you have to show the content if the text file is not present you have to show that file not found are you getting artha agtidya yeah super user privilege I have to give with a password called Fedora that is Fedora whatever the password you will be giving the same name should be given the connection between the client this is one server this is one sender and this is one receiver or anything this is receiver I've taken this is one sender I've taken why we are using with the understand why we are using with the local host yak use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇದೆ this is q.text this are the content we have read right this is the content why we have used with the local host because see ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ local host why we have used with a local host because we are executing within a single that is in a single system if I need to establish a connection between one system to the another system through LAN so I have to pass what I have to pass an IP address are you getting how this socket connection is being done with one system to another system but whereas this program execution we have done a connection between one client that is one client to the another client here the client that is one client to the sender the client is nothing but one terminal another is one terminal I've taken as sender one terminal I've taken as receiver ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ program is easy program code is easy because everything we have done with the file pointer same thing file pointer will be used same connection will be used same sockets that is same reading everything will be used ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ
Sir,
Any doubt?
why did you change 123 to 120?
123 bytes of data is being taken that's it 123 the socket number the last socket number is 0 to 123 this is an IPTC connection extension that is use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನೀವೊಂದು 256 bits of data will be taken same
Change ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೈಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ದು ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಯಾವ ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ the last socket is 123 that is 0 to 123 including 124 bytes will be there ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ this will you will be studying the detailed in your syllabus that is in your theory part how to connection with the sockets stop ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ